Today in this video, we are gonna show you how to fix your Toshiba TV if it won't turn on. We are gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Remove both batteries from the remote control. Hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Then put the batteries back in the remote and try to turn on the TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This is the last thing. Usually we'll do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Press the home button, go to settings, go to device and software, then reset to factory defaults. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.